Is now the reverse happening with the producer mentality, as in like, अरे I need somebody to play a strong woman, यामी को phone लगाओ, is that happening?
हाँ, अब मतलब इट्स अब ये हो रहा है कि अच्छा अब आर्टिकल 370, अब मैम आर्टिकल ये वाला करेंगे आप. I said
Are you
that
serious?
I'm very serious.
You,
Thursdays happen. We have a a Friday coming. Would you like to? This is of course hypothetically, but something like that. Ma'am, we have a cop drama. Ma'am, we have it. So this is another problem. Of course, this is a problem in
there's
the
no
industry.
winning. I mean, if you do that, you get stereotyped. If you get this, you get
Yeah.
stereotyped.
So I'm not, this is not a stereotype now, but this is more like, okay, अब ये चल रहा है, so let's do something like this. But you'll never see me sign anything like that.
You can cover all the whole constitution, just like
Read the constitution or the
Yami's
thriller,
body of work. It's like
or the thriller,
all these articles and
yeah,
laws and
laws and crime thriller, especially it happen even after Thursday. But yeah, now things of course are on a different course, on a different path. And I always tell my producers, and whenever I'm reading a script, I said, please, for me, it's not important that I'm leading, I'm the protagonist of the film, or I'm headlining a film. Of course, the role is really important for me, but the script is the hero.
right.
I work if the film works if the script works, and that has been my Bible for ever since I realized what is it that has worked for me. And reading a script, not taking narrations. I don't take narrations.
Right,
No,
right.
no matter what, I will never say yes to a film basis narration. That's just the way my process is.
Yeah. I've always wondered, there was a time when actors and actresses used to work 3 shifts a day. Each shift is a different film. And even as recent as Rani Mukherjee, Kareena Kapoor, we used to see about 4 or 5 releases of that particular actor a year, like actor, actresses, the whole gamut. But now people all across the board seem to have become very, very choosy about the films that they act in. So there could be an entire year where I don't see a Yami Gautam film, but then something else happens later. And this is across the board. Why do you think this has happened? Is it just the difficulty of getting a good script, like you said?
Yes. I mean, I have committed to 5 films. I finished one of them just now.
We're going to talk about that interesting courtroom drama.
But yeah, I think now I'm looking for, can't settle for anything average. Cannot settle for anything just to run the course of, okay, you have to sign a film. No, I don't have to if I don't have my heart in it. And I think also the kind of roles that I'm trying to sign or I'm trying to do require a certain kind of work, require a certain kind of commitment, which you cannot, or I would rather not mix it with something else for the sanctity of what the film is. That's how I like to work. Of course, every generation, there's something new, there comes a shift. Back in the day, I think there was also a mix of a lot of things happening. There would be good content, there would be content which is purely just song and dance,
Yeah,
and you can perform that part at any given point. It's I mean, this is what we used to read, and we would hear listen to interviews where they say there was no script that you ask for these days. Script कहाँ है, कौन सी script? आके कई बार lines लिखते थे, वहीं पे याद करते थे. I've heard of instances where Dilip Saab also, they would come and sit, and in the beautiful handwriting in Urdu, they would sit and jam with the writers, from Dilip Saab to Govinda ji and Kader Khan Saab, and you cannot tell what has gone behind the screen. But I think that sense of culture is also shifting somehow now, where even the kind of films I think are being attempted to be made need a certain kind of, I think, commitment, which I'm not sure you can just although I think my previous one, we had a schedule for about like 40 days, but we wrapped up in 33 days. But yeah, I think now you can, even from audience perspective, there's been such a massive shift. Now they want to see something different every time. They want to see something new. They want to see something, be it a new visual, be it something in performance, be it the story, be it the climax, be it something new will have to churn out. So I think it also needs that freshness in the script. You know, you cannot say कि अभी ये वाला ज़माना है इन फिल्मों का. No matter how much trend we still say कि अच्छा ये बना लेते हैं फिल्में, but अभी अब for example अगर गानों की बात कर लें, why we still talk about 90s or
Yeah.
early 2000s, because there was so much emphasis on the songs that they have to really you know, work. They have to be popular. Every music shop would have them,
Yeah.
you know, play all the time. So that was, I think,
And we'd buy it.
we'd
buy
buy
the
it.
tapes and CDs.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and we would listen. अरे हाँ ये tape चाहिए, गाना बज रहा है, यही चाहिए, mama. You know, I've been saving money to get
Yeah.
this cassette. Now I think that I see a little shift in the expectations of the audience also. While a certain kind of films will still work, but on the whole, I think there's something, and so you can afford to, you know, to I want not a sabbatical, but to have a little gap if
between.
need be.
Yeah.
And but then when you come, you need to really make it worth and have that kind of impact. Then you have to make
Actually,
sure.
it works two ways, I think, because in the older days, they could afford to act in 5 films, and if 3 bombed, 2 would still kind of make it.
Yeah.
But now, if you're depending on that one film, that had better be a great
That's
like
what.
script and a great
That's what.
film.
So,
That's
I think it's nice when audience is waiting for you. People are waiting for your
Yeah,
film, and
yeah.
you make a name for yourself. That if it's so and so's film, which is very rare today, but be it a director or be it an actor, that's so and so's film, we are going to wait and we are going to watch.
Yeah.
So that's why I think that's where the focus kind of is also that okay, I'm saying no to 5 other films. I'm just doing this one, so I'm too much. So everything goes in that one film, and then let's see what happens. So.